lesson 3, we are going to what you call verify that a statement is true. So here's a true statement. You have to make sure it's true. So what you do is just transform one side. So you take the more complicated side and you just simplify it using algebra, right? So this says x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So I'm just going to actually multiply it. So I'm going to FOIL this out. So I get x cubed. I get a plus x squared y, and then I get an xy squared, right? That's just distributing this one to all three. And now I'm going to distribute this negative y to all three. So I get a negative x squared y, a negative x squared y. I get a negative x y squared, and then I get a negative y cubed. So these would cancel, right? And I get x cubed equals y cubed, and that is what the left side equals. So basically you're trying to prove that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side by starting with the more complicated side and then simplifying it. So it's not adding or subtracting to both sides, it's not dividing or subtracting on both sides, it's reworking one side using algebra. Okay, and you can think about this question: if you multiplied each side of the equation by z, would it result in the polynomial identity? So if I multiplied this by z, and if I multiply this by z, would it still result in a polynomial identity, meaning that this statement is still true, like this does equal this?